back to my channel. So today I'm vlogging. So right now I'm just going to pick up my sister and then my cousins, and we're going for a Sunday brunch. Yeah, so today I'm just going to bring you guys with me, and I hope I'm not gonna forget to vlog because I'm not used to vlog. This is my second vlog, so we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we're currently on our way to brunch. Nasteha's driving. I don't know if I can see you from the mirror.
You should present yourself.
I don't know how to work your camera. How do you zoom in?
You don't want to zoom in? Why would you want to zoom in?
Oh, I'm trying to zoom into your eyes so they can see you.
I just turned the camera like that.
Okay,
Put yourself in a perspective.
so, hi guys. No, we need to redo this when there's better lighting.
We're here outside with my cousins.
Hi guys.
What's your name?
Marian, Marian, whichever one.
Marion.
Or that.
Yes. So, and here's my sister.
My name is Ladan.
And this is my twin.
Maya. Do we look alike?
We actually do.
Show them where we're going.
And that's Khadra. I don't know why she's acting like she's all shy. She's actually the crazy one. That's Khadra. Anyway, so we're going to Alou Mon Coco for breakfast. And yeah.
I don't know how to do that.
Seriously, we can hear you say that.
Hello. Hi.
I'm so hungry.
I know, me too. Tell me about it.
I love your lipstick, by the way.
Oh, thank you. It's Beauty by Fams, my new cosmetic line coming soon.
She actually has her own line, guys, coming up. Looking good.
Oh, thank you.
What are you wearing again? The primer?
I'm wearing the primer by Beauty by Fams Cosmetics. I'm wearing the setting spray. It's bamboo setting spray. It dries really fast. And also the lipstick, lip gloss.
I love the lipstick. Let me zoom in just so we can get a close-up.
I love the primer too.
No, it's really nice. Wallah, mashallah.
Yeah.
Hey, Khadra.
And there's another one.
Seriously, Khadra.
That's Khadra. That's how you define Khadra. That's like who she is as a person.
Yeah, that's like the first two vlogs. And then the third one, she will take over, ba.
So we just ordered our food. What did you get?
Something really keto.
Her order was the most complicated, so you know it's keto friendly. Yeah, let's see. Oh, what happened?
No, because
What did you order? We ordered the same thing, so tell them. What did we get?
Something veggie. Anything vegetarian. Oh,
The
yeah.
casserole. Egg. What did you get?
oh, Copenhagen egg. I'm gonna get used to it.
I will you too.
She doesn't want to be on the camera, but she got scrambled eggs with bread and potatoes. She's the basic one. Yeah, so we're basically just waiting for our food now. Someone's a little hangry.
That's why she took over the
Yeah, I haven't ate since like, I think it was 9 this morning. What time is it? It currently is 2:42 p.m. I don't know if this is breakfast, brunch, lunch. Yeah. We'll see you guys when the food comes. Yeah. Featuring my pimple over here. So guys, we just got our food. This is a lot. This is like enough for 2 people, maybe 3. For basic scrambled eggs. We got some eggs Benedict there with salmon. She got the same basic eggs. And then her complicated keto-friendly order.
Let me introduce my own.
Oh. And then she basically got the same thing as me.
This is my plate, guys. I made sure to get the keto version of my brunch. So there's no bread. Instead of the bread, I'm getting avocado and tomatoes There's no potatoes, and yeah, I guess that's it. And someone is going in. But yeah.
احنا نحن عنا وايد يكون عنا Somali maxaa loo diidaa Ingiriisi maxaa dhacay
Mimi waa caadi af Soomaali saga hadlo.
maya anaguna dietkiisii baan ku jirnaa waxa la
Doesn't look like diet. Bismillah ku qabo.
bismillah inta ma la cunayo inta kale waa sharaxa
Wow, someone is really hungry. It's okay, Khadra. It's okay. Wow, she's actually smiling now.
Ask for sriracha.
Khadra, were you hungry before?
She still is. It hasn't digested yet.
Oh, okay. How are you doing, Sumaya?
She's enjoying her basic eggs.
Water. And you?
I got my coffee, so I'm happy.
Good. So we all went in, well, except my aunt. How do you feel? Are you less hungry?
I'm really full.
Okay, Ladani, we all know you don't eat like that normally, okay? I'm talking about you. The way you're eating is like, you know, there's like a commercial, I don't know.
You guys always say that. Always.
No, but yeah, this looks savage.
Okay, let me explain myself. I had a very intense workout and I didn't eat. It's been like 3 hours after and I still didn't eat.
Well, you need to go to the gym after this then.
I already worked out for 2 hours. It's okay. It's called Dubai. Yeah.
How do you like your watermelon?
Let me just say, if you know, you know. Ethiopia. That's all I have to say.
Well, they don't know.
It's supposed to be our inside joke.
I know, but they don't know.
No watermelons taste as good as the watermelons in Ethiopia.
In Africa.
Djibouti it wasn't as good, I can't lie. They were more watery, but Ethiopia was like sweet, and they're my all-time favorite fruit.
I think they're perfect for like really hot weather. When you get that like watermelon.
Yeah, exactly.
No, I get you.
So this is a sneak peek of the line we were talking about, owned by our aunts. Yeah, so basically support the cause. It's a black Somali Muslim woman and of course Canadian, if I can get that to focus.
Oh, let me do the beauty thing. Okay, let me go back.
They're made in Canada, and let's not forget this is all natural or natural infused products.
So no chemicals. It has vitamins and minerals.
This actually has bamboo in it, which I find pretty cool. They have vitamin E, aloe, what else?
Silica. It has a lot of good things, guys.
And we all know how much Nasteha loves her natural products, so if she supports it, you know it's good.
Yep.
Support, website, Instagram, all coming soon. Beauty by Fams. Don't forget the name.
So right now it's recording. Okay.
So we just got out of the restaurant, guys.
They left?
Yeah.
Wait. I need to put my
Oh my god, how do you delete a video? It's gotta
delete it either way.
How do you delete a video? Who's on?
I don't know, she's like...
So basically, we all have itis now.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Just close there. And put some music on.
I can't. I get so camera shy.
You're not, okay?
I am.
You guys should say something.
Okay, talk, guys. This lighting is doing you guys justice. Whoa.
Are you even recording? Yeah, it is.
But I think it's upside down.
Well,
The screen is, but
upside down?
is it actually? No, it's actually okay. It's just the way she's.
So now it's home time because it's Sunday. And Sundays are basically a pre-Monday
Keep right to merge onto ON 417.
because we got work.
So we're taking the highway, I guess.
Yes, it's gonna take you to the 417 east.
East or west? She said.
Okay, so no.
East. The east. West is like Bayshore. But I used to high school.
Yeah, how do you finish the video? How do you close it? Like, stop recording. Press the red button again?
Yeah.
It looks pretty.
Okay guys, so we just came home. Well, I came home and then my sister came with me. So, wait, is it even? Yeah, now it's better. So today we're going to be repotting all of these plants. So I have like a little garden going on here. So I bought this plant stand, I think that's how we call it. And some flowers and of course another plant. And we will just build this and then repot all of them just so that we can have like something really nice going on here. And yeah.
And we're excited for it.
Well, she's not really excited.
I am, what do you mean?
Okay, well, I guess she is. All right, so yeah, so that's the plan for tonight. Okay guys, so we're done. So just to show you guys the end result. So this is how it looks like. I actually like it. Yeah, that's the bamboo. I don't think I need to repot that bamboo, but we'll see eventually. But so I got some flowers. I've never owned flowers before, so I have to learn about how to maintain it. So we'll see. This one is a pretty easy plant. It doesn't really need a lot of sun, so that's why I put it on the second shelf. This one also. This is my little tree. I actually have two of that. They're really cute. This is my small tiny little cactus. That's my what's the name again for that? I don't know, I don't remember. It has a really pretty name. This is my first plant. It's actually a medicinal aloe vera. So it's growing pretty big. So you see how like I cut it this one. So you can pretty much just cut it and use it. And this one, I'm not sure if it's actually dead. I'm gonna give it a second like chance. And we'll see if it's getting better. It looks like it's not really growing, and like the soil is always wet, as if like the plant is not even drinking the water. So I don't know, man. But this is the end result. My little home garden.
It's completed.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of other plants, but I can't wait for them to grow big, especially the cactus. Those ones are actually trees, so they will become really big eventually, that size and even bigger. So yeah, I'm proud of myself for that. Yeah, she's proud of herself. Yeah, I'm proud of you. Well, we did it together. Yeah, we did. So yeah, so that's it. I don't know if you guys can see me, but I think this is how I'm gonna end the vlog. So right now I'm dropping off my sister. Obviously she had to get something from the store, like always. And yeah, I think that's better. And yeah, I'm not really good with vlogging. It's new, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. And yeah, so if you guys have any suggestions, obviously send it my way. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video. It really helps the channel. And of course, don't forget to join the family and subscribe. So yeah, take care of you guys. Mwah.